Today, I'm taking you inside one of the biggest and most ambitious water parks in all of Africa, Giwa Gardens. Massive slides, wave pools, luxury relaxation spots, family attractions, and enough water rides to make you forget you are even in West Africa. This place is said to be the largest water park in West Africa and the third largest in Africa. But is it really worth the hype? Let's explore every corner of these incredible destinations together. Welcome to Giwa Gardens, located in Sangotedo, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Located along the Lekki axis in Lagos, Giwa Garden is one of the Nigerian newest mega entertainment destinations and a symbol of how rapidly leisure and tourism infrastructure is evolving in the country. Developed by Nigerian billionaire and businessman Giwa Afeez, the vision behind this project was simple: to create a world-class recreational destination that could compete with major water parks around the world, while giving Nigerians and tourists a premium experience right here at home. The park quickly gained national attention because of its massive scale, modern architecture, colorful attraction, and a bold claim as the largest water park in West Africa and among the largest on the planet of Africa. What makes Giwa Garden unique is that it is not just a water park. It is designed as an entertainment ecosystem, where you are here for adrenaline-filled rides, family outings, content creation, drone shots, or simply to relax away from the chaos of Lagos. There is something for everyone, and today we are going to tour it all. And honestly, the moment you approach the entrance, you can already tell this place was built to impress. From giant twisting water slides to massive pools, beautifully designed relaxation areas, and family-oriented attractions, everything here feels modern, ambitious, and designed for a full-day adventure. Welcome to Giwa Gardens, located in Sangotedo, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. In Giwa Garden, we have water parks and other amusement parks where children and adults, friends, family members can come have fun. Today, I'm going to take you on a wonderful tour across every section of this park, and come with me as I do that. Come with me. So the moment you get into this park, the first thing you do is to buy your ticket, and after buying your ticket, then you move past the entrance. Then the next thing is to go right there to get your tag at the reception there. Two tags. It's for the pool. Okay guys, now I have now confirmed my ticket and now I obtained the tags. It's time for me to go inside and show you what we have there. Yeah. As we step further into the park, the first thing that stands out is the sheer size of the environment. The landscaping, colorful structures, palm trees, and enormous water attractions immediately create that international resort atmosphere. One of the biggest highlights here is the collection of giant water slides. Some are steep and fast, designed for thrill seekers, while others are more relaxed and family friendly. Watching people scream their lungs out while dropping from those towering slides is honestly part of the entertainment itself. Then there is the wave pool, one of the central attractions of the park. Every few minutes, artificial waves begin rolling through the pool, creating the feeling of being an actual beach. And judging by the crowd here, this is clearly one of the favorite spots in the entire park. Beyond the water attractions, the park also includes sitting lounges, relaxation spots, food areas, and spaces designed for social gatherings and events. But beyond the artistics, Giwa Gardens also represents something bigger. For many years, Nigerians often travel abroad for large-scale leisure experiences like this. But projects like this show how entertainment and tourism investment are beginning to grow locally. It is also part of the broader transformation happening around Lekki Corridor, an area rapidly developing into one of the most modern urban zones in Nigeria, with luxury estates, malls, resorts, beaches, and major infrastructure projects all expanding simultaneously. And honestly, whether you're a tourist visiting Lagos or a resident looking for a weekend getaway, Giwa Gardens offer an escape from the fast pace of city life. It is loud, colorful, energetic, and surprisingly massive.
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
So that was my full tour of Giwa Gardens, one of the biggest water parks in Africa and a major new entertainment destinations in Lagos. From the giant slides to the wave pools, family attractions, and resort-style atmosphere, this place truly feels like a glimpse into the future of leisure and tourism in Lagos. Would you visit a place like this? And do you think it truly deserves the West African largest water park? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make subsequent videos like this and many others, you will be notified. My name remains Chris. See you in my next episode and enjoy the rest of this video. Bye bye.